Assalamu alaikum everyone, I'm Saida Fatima, founder and CEO of TrackLaw. Today we're going to talk about the rejection rate and the increase in the number of rejection rate in Pakistan. This is a very important topic. Why? Because most of us need to know why our visas are being rejected. Now, alongside a lot of reasons, there are a few reasons that we need to simply tick mark on our list. Number one, starting with insufficient financial proof. Now, this is one of the reasons why we end up into rejection. एक बहुत अहम चीज़ ये है कि हमारा फाइनेंशियल प्रूफ एक्यूरेट नहीं होता एंड दैट इज़ द रीज़न वाई वी गेट रिजेक्टेड. नंबर टू is definitely the incomplete documentation. At TrackLaw, we make sure that your file is complete, not just complete, it is in the right kind of order which is preferred by the embassies. We also want that you should be applying in the same manner, and that's why we keep you quite updated when you come to us. Third of the reasons is that there is always a lack of strong ties with Pakistan, which is one thing that the embassies and the other countries don't like. Definitely you need to establish strong ties with Pakistan. आपके ties पाकिस्तान के साथ जितने ज़्यादा accurate, जितने ज़्यादा strong होंगे, उतनी ही आपकी application मजबूत रहेगी, या कहना चाहिए कि आपकी application उतनी ही ज़्यादा valid होगी. Now we come to another of the reasons of rejection. Those are the concerns when it comes to applicants' intent to come back to Pakistan. You need to understand that your intention for coming back to Pakistan is very important, and definitely उसमें बहुत सी reasons होती हैं, including family and of course other reasons which are your ties to Pakistan as well, going back to the previous point. Now, these two need to be correlated as well. एक और रीज़न जो मैंने यूजुअली ऑब्जर्व किया और हमारे क्लाइंट्स भी हमें ये बताते हैं, एंड वी डू हैव द रेलेवेंट इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट इट एज वेल, इज़ दैट देयर इज़ जनरली अ वायलेशन ऑन योर पार्ट और सम मिसकम्युनिकेशन, जिसकी वजह से आपका प्रीवियस वीज़ा या पहला अप्लाई किया हुआ वीज़ा रिजेक्ट हुआ हो. नाउ यू नीड टू बी वेरी केयरफुल अबाउट दैट देयर नीड्स टू बी no violation in that case, and that no false information is given. Take care of yourself and contact us through the number played on the screen. Take care. Allah Hafiz.